Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and the physical opening. Turn the bathroom circuit off and verify power is dead with a tester. This prevents shock while you work. Once confirmed, lay down a drop cloth and set a ladder. Remove the vent grill by unscrewing or popping retained clips, then detach any light lens or fan cover. Make sure to save screws and observe how the old unit connects, noting wire colors and mounting point speeds reinstallation and prevents mistakes later. You now separate the old vent from electrical and duct systems so you can remove it. First, loosen wire nuts and separate the colored wires, then tape pairs with labels so you remember each connection. Next, access the attic side or ceiling opening and release the duct clamp or unpeel foil tape. Pull it free straight to avoid ripping the duct. Finally, remove mounting screws or clips while supporting the housing, once free. Lower the unit carefully through the ceiling or out into the attic to avoid drywall damage. You finish by placing and securing the replacement vent. Fit the new housing into the ceiling opening, align mounting holes, and fasten with the provided screws. Seal gaps with caulk or the supplied gasket so airflow goes out the duct, not the attic. Reattach the duct with a clamp or foil tape, then reconnect wiring matching your labeled wires and using fresh wire nuts. Once everything is secure, restore power and test the fan and light. If you hear rattles or reduced air,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.